guys, Renee Starms here. And do you want to know what makes a great channel or brand? Well, there are 5 key things that you need to keep in mind when you consider your brand and the message that you want to convey to your audience. And I'll start by saying your story. Who are you? How did you come about? Why did you create the channel? You know, your story is a very important part of why people will want to engage with your brand. Now, because most people generally buy from people that they know, like, and trust. Number 2 would be you got to define the creed for your channel. Like, are you hip hop, vegan, or are you into like new age stuff or sci-fi? Like, what's your creed? What are you into? What do you stand for? Like, are you guys against pollution or high taxes, etc.? You know, it's something to think about, but of course it's something too that you kind of develop more over time depending on the people that kind of become engaged with you. But knowing your creed for your channel and the message you're conveying and who you're conveying it to is very important. And having clear leadership. Don't be afraid to lead. People like being led. And when